Hey guys, and hello mga ka-Team Fabulous. So for today's vlog, I am actually going to show you what's inside my crossbody bags. What's in my crossbody bags. And these bags, they're not actually luxury bags. They're from Kmart and wala lang, gusto ko lang sila kasi they're cute. See? And I actually don't need to buy expensive bags. Kasi hindi naman ako lumalabas-labas na mga pa-social na like dinner and all like that. So, pero pag may nagbigay, of course, I'm going to actually welcome it with open arms. Okay. So, to start off, okay, the reason why I got crossbody bags, whenever we go for dinner, and of course, I don't feel like vlogging because I want a bit of our personal life ng husband ko na not all of it na finifilm ko. Of course, moment ng like birthdays, a bit of like yung anniversary namin, maybe like the whole trip, pwede yun, like kung saang lugar, but dinners and private dinners and stuff, I don't do that. So I don't bring my camera with me. I just bring my fully charged phone because pag may mga maliliit kang bag, yun, hindi ako nagdadala masyado ng power bank. Minsan, nililid ko lang sa car. And yun. And let's start. Okay. So first off, we're gonna start with this one. I like the colors na tan or a bit of a brownish color. Same with my previous bag. Ito, yung vlog ko last time, what's in my bag. This is a bigger one. So I like this type of color because they play around or like bagay siya sa lahat ng colors ng outfit. Like black also, but wala akong nakitang black, so walang available na black. Gusto ko yung mga crossbody bags sa Kmart kasi ang cute talaga nila, guys. So, yun. Okay, let's start with this one na. Hindi ko na patatagalin. This bag is actually parang ano siya, parang wallet na din. So, I have my cards here, my IDs, and then yung bank cards and discount cards. And then, of course, here you can put your notes, bills like I think in the Philippines they call it bills. Yun, mga money. So I only have $20. Oh, hindi ako mayaman, $20 ng pera ko. And then pag may bulsa ang aking sinusuot, usually I put my handkerchief sa pocket. But yeah, minsan nilalagay ko dito. Yun. Konti lang nilalagay ko dito because yeah, it's small lang. And then of course sanitizer, but I'm still looking for like very small one, like the same nung sa Bath and Body Works na sanitizer. I want that kind of like size ng sanitizer niya. Of course, let's not forget I always have Tic Tac or candy inside my bag. Tin-answer ko din siya ng ganito kasi ayoko naglalagay malaking TikTok dito. And then, of course, my lip balm. I have this one. I use... wait. It's not focusing. Vaseline. This one. I use this one. And then, here, actually, pwede lagyan to ng coins, but I usually don't put coins here. Ang ginagawa ko siyang lalagyan ng mga pocket tissue. Of course, will bring with me in case lang. I have my panty liner. And next is mag-jebs in case. Ito. Kasi usually, hindi mo na kailangan talaga ng tissue. Meron, almost all the toilet here sa Australia, nilalagyan nila ng toilet tissue talaga. So, makikita mo talaga may toilet tissue each toilet room. Yun. And, yun. Yun na ang laman ng aking bag. Next, we're gonna go to this one. And I'm gonna show it to you later. Okay, next is this one. This is from Kmart. I bought this one for $9 only, and I did include it sa aking shopping haul vlog. And what's inside it is, eto nga lang, this one has bigger space in it. I mean, this one has smaller space. Tinanggal ko yung card so that you would know. This is how it looks like. And then, eto, maliit lang siya na space pag kinanin mo. Yan. And this one, it's like a bit wider. So, gusto ko siya. And, syempre, nag-work din naman itong ano niya dito. So, what I like about this is the design itself. Para siyang banig na style. Or like, yung matte na style. Yung parang weaving style yun. So, let's go inside my bag. Usually, yun nga, as what I explained, when we go out with my husband, and then we go out for dinner, together with family and friends, or with him, or dinner date namin, or ano lang, just ordinary date, usually, eto, mga body bag lang, crossbody bags lang ang aking ginagamit. Okay, this one, I put my, usually kasi, hindi ko na kailangan sabihin pa na ano, may handkerchief, because usually nilalagay ko naman talaga sa aking nilalagay ko sa aking, what do you call that one? Pocket. So yun. So what's inside it is here. Ano ito? Medyo konting bulky lang siya tingnan, pero minsan hindi ako nagdadala ng tissue, but pocket tissue. So yun. Minsan naglalagay ako. But this one's too quite bulky, like medyo malaki. So yan, nagdadala ako minsan ito. And then, of course, panty liner, just in case, guys. I just want to be ready. And of course, ito, Sanicare. So in case mag-jabs na naman, better be prepared. And then, sanitizer, of course. So, yan ang nilalagay ko. Minsan, pag malaki ang bag ko, dalawa ang aking pang sa lips. I have this one. Nagpo-focus ba? Yan. This one is actually a lip tint, which I love. And then, my lip balm. Kasi dry ang lips ko. Kaya ganun. And then, of course, I have a perfume. I put it in my small bag. And tic-tac, of course. I want something minty, so usually yun ginagamit ko. And then, I put a small wallet inside my bag. Kasi hindi siya the same as the other one that has already, that you can put cards in it. So, yun nga. And then, this is how it looks like. I bought this one sa, where is it? Where was it? H&M sa City. So, yun. Ang ginawa ko yan. Kasi, alam nyo why gusto ko to. Nalalagyan ng cards. I have my QBD cards, which is a discount card, my bank cards, and my Medicare card, and of course, my ID. Here, at the back. So, yun. And then, you can put your notes here. Yan. So, and your coins. And that's it. Very small, right? So, okay lang. Minsan, pag lumalabas din kami, pupunta lang ng Kmart, ito lang dinadala ko. Very small din. And, yun nga, maliliit siya. So, ngayon, wala nang laman ang bags. Ito ang itsura niya. And this is how small it is. And this one is how, it's not really that small, but it's also a bit wider than this one. Yun. Kaya gusto ko silang dalawa. Yan. And I hope you guys did get a bit of an idea where I get to buy my bags and also what I put inside my bag. And yeah, those are just important stuff na palagi ko nilalagay sa aking bag. And I think that's it for now for my vlog, guys. And wala na kasi akong ibang masabi pa. Kasi yun lang ang laman ng aking bag. So, I think that's it for now for my vlog, guys. And I just want to thank everyone who supported my channel. And for those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to click the subscribe button. And Also, don't forget to click the notification bell so that you will be notified if I have new uploads. And I do hope you have a great day, everyone. Have a blessed day.